Hi, this is Umar. In today's video, we will discuss an interesting strategy called Iron Fly or Iron Butterfly strategy. And this is famous among retail traders. Why? Because this is a limited risk, limited reward strategy. Now, there are two ways you can deploy this strategy. But before that, let me explain what is Iron Fly strategy. Say you expect the market to be range bound, so you decide to deploy a straddle, right? Now, straddles are limited reward and unlimited risk strategy. How? Let's say market gaps down by 400 or 500 points. Then you will see the damage short straddle will do to your capital. There will be bloodbath in Dalal Street and there will be blood in your eyes looking at the MTM losses. And many times you will see a big red candle and your losses doubling in few minutes and you will not go and try to adjust. The first thing you will do is square off all the position and book losses, and immediately after you book loss, the market will reverse. This is what will happen, right? To overcome this issue, what some smart people will do is deploy a short straddle and buy the same quantity at break even. Say the Nifty is at 15,000 and you deploy a straddle and collect 500 premium, and immediately after that you go and buy 15,500 call and 14,500 put. Once you do that, it becomes a Iron Fly. Now this becomes a limited risk, limited reward strategy. Now you don't have to worry even if the market crashes because you are protected. The buy calls and puts will save you. You don't have to worry. Now if the markets are moving violently and touches your break-even point, what we'll try to do is adjust the position, right? Now, we will see how to deploy Iron Fly in two different ways, and if it goes wrong, we will adjust the position. Also consider subscribing to this channel as your support really motivates us. Okay, now what we will do for the purpose of testing, I am in month of March. Yeah, since market spot is at around 14,700, what we will do is we will first deploy a straddle. We sell 14,700 call one lot for 418 and we will sell 14,700 put one lot for 3,800. So the combined premium we have collected, let's say 800 rupees. So once you do this, what we will do is we will go and buy out of the money put and call. So 14,700 we have collected a premium of 800 rupees, so we will go and buy 13,900 put on the downside, and on the upside we will go and buy 15,500 call one lot. Yeah, so this makes a perfect Iron Fly, right? You don't have to worry even if the market crashes because you have a protection here. Both the call buy and the put buy is going to save you. You don't have to worry. And the maximum profit is going to be 41,000, and break even is on the downside it is 14,100 and on the upside it is 15,200. Yeah, now we will see what is going to happen to the market. Whenever we deploy strategies like this, there is a thumb rule. You have to make the adjustment only if the break even points are breached. Once it touches the break even point, you will have to make the adjustment. Markets are very volatile nowadays. It's very hard to make adjustments. Okay, since on 10th of March, market has rallied from around I think 14,700 to 15,200. Now what we will do, since it has breached our break even points, we will do one thing. We will go to option chain and we will do one more iron fly. So this is not a big rocket science. All you have to do is you have to implement at the money iron fly, one more lot you have to initiate. So 15,200, what we will do is we will go and sell 15,200 straddle. Yeah. Now what we have done, since the market has rallied from 14,700 to 15,200 plus, I have done one more iron fly, that is 15,200. The original iron fly is on 14,700. Now I have done one more iron fly which is on 15,200, and the total premium, say I have collected 500 points. The next step, once you do a straddle, what we have to do is we have to go and we have to buy a protection, right? So what I will do is, let's say we will buy 14,700 one lot on the downside, that is for downside protection, and for upside we will buy 15,600 one lot. Yeah. Once I do this, it is going to look something like this. And see, this is the maximum you can do in this strategy. You cannot, even if, see what, from previous break even point of 15,200, you were able to just increase the break even point to 15,400, and that is the maximum we can do. There is nothing else we can do on this strategy, because these are hedged position, and I find it very hard to adjust these positions. So let's see what happens. Even if it breaches this break even point, you cannot do anything. That is the maximum. This is the maximum you can do. And on 15th of March, this trade is in a profit of around 4,600 plus. Yeah. On around 19th of March, still this is in a profit of 6,200. See, March was a very volatile month. It was going everywhere up and down, but on a close to close basis, if you see, market haven't moved anything. On a close to close basis, it exactly closed where it started. On 22nd of March, this profit had given us a 15,000. This trade has given us a profit of around 15,000 plus. And since there are only 2 or 3 trading sessions, we will wait and see what is going to happen. And the margin, total margin required for one iron fly is around, I think, 70 to 80,000. And if you do deploy a 2 iron fly, take total margin requirement is around 15,000. 1.5 lakhs. So if so 11,000 is a profit in this. So for a investment of around 1.5 lakhs and a profit of around 11,000, that works out to be around maybe 7 to 8%, right? And if the trade goes wrong, you will lose 30,000. And if you calculate the percentage with the margin we have put, it will be around maybe 18 to 20%, I think, tentatively. So this is the strategy. In this strategy, the risk is high more than the reward. If we are lucky and if the trade closes in between our break-even points, we will come out with a profit. But if it goes wrong, we will have to bear the losses, and this is the maximum adjustment we can do in this trade. Now I hope you would have understood what is iron flush strategy. See, you have to understand you will make good money only if the position is not hedged, and if your position is not hedged you will require a big capital account. And if your position is hedged you will always make a small return only. This is how the regulators have designed the system. So you have two options. Either you take a big risk with big capital account or hedge your position and make small profit. If you try to make a big profit with a small account, you will not be able to do anything. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.